Hello, I'm looking at Intel stock, ticker INTC, here on the daily time frame. And from the beginning of 2024, we have this red resistance line with already a fifth touch point lately, last week, which already also broke out up and retested that red line. We will see that better soon in zooming in. Also, since this big drop on August 2024, we look at this consolidation phase and we put a volume profile there. And we see, first of all, there are higher lows being created, also higher highs. And we have this purple channel also in play. And we're about in the middle of it and just crossed over that middle of that channel. We've got the point of control at about 20.35. This blue line that you can barely see is at 22.85. Currently, price is just over 23, so above it. And let's look at, let's zoom in. Now in pre-market, you can see that, first of all, last week, price was retesting that point number five, retraced a bit down to meet that center line of that purple channel, as mentioned before, and then finally clearing that red resistance line. Nice rally, perfect retest, and then rallying again. Now crossing that blue value area high, as mentioned before, and clearing that red resistance and looking very well for Intel right now. Also notice, very important, when before you consider buying a stock, you need to look at when the earnings is. In this case, it is in about 25 days on 25th, sorry, on the 24th of July. Okay, and most likely we will be getting to this level, okay, the 24.25, in my humble opinion. If it goes back into the channel and sorry, below the red resistance line, then the bullish case is over. You have this low over here, which coincides a bit with this beginning of June high as well. And of course, you've got this high, which is at 21.89. So right now, even if you have a stop of about, let's say, 6%, which later you can also move up, it gives you good enough leeway to enter the long, especially if you enter it around 22.88 or so, just above that blue value area high. And you have quite a lot of upside because first you can take a partial profit around that 24.50, 25 if and when it gets there. And also there's a good chance that later it'll close this gap at 28.89. Okay, that's already a considerable partial profit target. And then after that, this Intel can also get to 50 with patience. Okay, this high over here is 51.28, and with patience we can get all the way over to this high. It will be very interesting to see how the price reacts on that next earnings. It may be an interesting move, so do watch the price action after the 24th of July, and it could show investors a new repricing, a higher repricing for the stock. This is an interesting lead because if the analysis and premise is wrong, again, you're in a position where the stop is quite close and the upside is all the way up to 50. That's almost double. It's about 90% or so. And you've got some interesting profit targets on the way, as mentioned. Okay, one here, one just under here, and so forth. So, very interesting lead. Do your own research. This is not financial advice, and thank you.